Monoprice, I consider ourselves an industry disruptor. We have about 6,500 products in the consumer electronics space, and very high quality and very reasonable pricing, which is what we have sort of called our claim to fame. So what I'm showing here today is the mini printer that we launched a couple years back. This is V2. This became the world's best-selling 3D printer in terms of unit volume about a year ago. Continues to do really well. It is perfect for a beginner, perfect for an enthusiast. You can print right out of the box. This is a evolving technology, and people are getting into 3D printing at rates that have been extraordinary the last couple of years. And this guy is a great printer, whether you are a beginner or someone that really has learned the trade and looking to do stuff with it. So it's great stuff.
And available now at how much?
Available in the UK and in Germany. It's available at about 179 euros. Available through our website and through Amazon, and it'll range based on anywhere from a promo from 179 to 199.